Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to remove this shift knob inside of your Acura Integra or other similar Honda vehicle. Most manual Civics and Integras are going to have a similar style. This is something I had to do for another project. I had trouble finding videos that really showed how to get this apart without damaging your boot. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If it is, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know if you have any questions about removing your shift knob in your Acura or Honda vehicle or about anything else that we've got going on. Thanks a lot for watching and enjoy.
The first thing to note is this collar right here that attaches to the shift knob. If it has never been, so you can see this little silver piece right here, it clips to this locking nut here. So this locking nut is holding this shift knob on here tight. Sometimes you can just screw this right off. Otherwise, you may need to hold this to get this off. Now, how you would do this is you just pop this straight down. And you see how easily that popped down. If you've never popped this down before, you may want to try with a panel tool to see if you can get in there and loosen it up. Sometimes it's very, very tight when they're straight from the factory. So what you can do is you can peel, and I don't mean peel, but I mean you can move down this leather boot just a little bit. And this screwdriver is actually too big. You can get a very fine, thin screwdriver or tool, and you can reach in there and pry that clip out. You can see that little tab right there, that metal tab. It is going to lock in to the bottom lip of this. So that's the tab that you're trying to just peel up a tiny bit so you can slide that collar down. And there's one on this side and one on this side. So you can feel them and they feel kind of like springs. It's going to be right here and right here. Slide the boot down a tiny bit. So you can see these two little notches, and you can get a little screwdriver, kind of like a little electronic screwdriver or a sunglasses screwdriver, and you can get in there right behind that little tab, and then you can just bend it back out a little bit. Just like this, and then you're going to kind of bend it back out. And right now I can just feel that pushing that clip out just a little bit. Now you want to be really careful not to cut your boot with your little screwdriver. And what you definitely don't want to do is pull this leather off of this collar, because it's going to be impossible to get it back on there, and you're probably going to be looking to get another boot. I've seen people on YouTube trying to get this off and end up peeling this leather off, and then it's just a mess. If you're doing it, just be really careful. Try to get under there. You might only need to do it on one side, but once you do that, it's going to pop off. Now you see how easy it's popping off right now? That's because I loosened that tab up a little bit. When I put it back in, I'll probably squeeze these in a little bit just to make sure it stays up on there good. But that's the first step in getting your shift knob off. So now that I have this out, I'm gonna come and grab my 14mm wrench to loosen this locking collar here. And now I can just back off my shift knob. And once the shift knob's off, then you can back this collar out. Okay, now that that's off, this can freely come off of the shift shaft. Now we're going to take our collar, and there's that little lip where the boot latches onto. And there's our flat surface for our 14mm. We're just gonna thread that all the way down. Okay, now we're going to put our shift knob on. Now look, it's crooked right there, right? I'm going to back this out to where it's right where I want it. Get my 14mm wrench here, and well, first I'll do it by hand. I'm going to spin that collar up to where it meets it, and then lock it in right where I want it. Like that, just kind of get it snug. And now I'm going to push this up, and now it's locked on there. Now you can see this thing's kind of loose, but it's pretty loose like that. So I'm just going to push it up, and I'm just going to push on these tabs just a little bit to get them reseated in there, and it should stay up just fine.
Okay guys, that's how you remove and reinstall your shift knob. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. As always, let us know if you have any questions about this or anything else we've got going on. Thanks a lot for watching.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.